Hello. Okay, this video is going to be about pranayam and how I did it and how I benefited from it. So, pranayam should be done in a sequence. It should not be done like you do one exercise once and then that's it. It should be in a sequence. So, what I do is I do 5 different exercises, 10 minutes each, totaling 50 minutes, or taking a break in between and making it about 1 hour. Now, the first one that I do is called Ujjayi Pranayam. Ujjayi Pranayam, what you do in this is you inhale deeply, you hold your breath for 1 second, 2 seconds if you're comfortable, if more, if you're comfortable. I'm able to hold it for about 10 seconds or a little more than that. So after holding it for a while, once you start feeling uncomfortable, you can start exhaling. And while you exhale, just constrict your throat a bit to produce a sound like this. So it's a bit of, so the sound can resemble the sound of the sea, the ocean, like the sound of the waves cracking onto the shore. And once you have exhaled completely, make sure that you exhale completely. Then try and hold your breath for as long as you can. Usually I can only hold it for 1 or 2 seconds. As you practice more, you'll be able to hold it for longer. So I'll demonstrate once again. So when you inhale, make sure that you fill your abdomen first and then your chest. The way to ensure this is that when you're inhaling, try to push your abdomen out. So air will first go in here and then into your chest. Okay. The second one. So I do this for 10 minutes. The second one is called Kapalbhati. In Kapalbhati, what you do is you just try and throw air out of your nostrils. You close your mouth and you throw the air out. When you do this, you can even try pulling your stomach in, but for beginners, I would say just try and exhale or throw the breath out of your nostrils, like. So do this for about 30 times, like 30 throws, and then take a break and inhale deeply. Then exhale deeply, like exhale fully. And when you inhale after these 30 throws, try and hold it. And it feels very good when you hold your breath, then feels very light. I feel very lightheaded when I do it. And when I exhale, I feel very relaxed. I inhale and exhale about once or twice after 30 throws, and then I resume. After this first round, the second round I usually am able to throw the air out for 50 to 60 throws, and then inhale deeply and exhale fully. And then I carry on these rounds for about 10 minutes. And each round after the first one, I'm able to throw the air out for about 50, 60, 70 times before I feel a need to breathe in deeply. So this second one, and it really helps you with digestion. It improves your digestion and your metabolism. The third one is called Anulom Vilom. In Anulom Vilom, what we do is we use our thumb and avoid the uh, first finger. So use thumb and the other three fingers. With thumb, I first close my right nostril and breathe in deeply. After this, once you have once you have taken a deep breath, shut your nostrils, both of them, using the other three fingers like this. Hold it for a while, as long as you can. Then exhale from the other nostril, the nostril other than the one that you inhale from this one. So exhale completely and then hold for as long as you can without any breath. And then breathe in from the nostril that you breathe out from. Hold and breathe out from the other nostril. So I'll demonstrate this once. So that completes 2 rounds of Anulom Vilom. Make sure that you end it with the nostril that you started with. So if you inhale from here, make sure that when you end Anulom Vilom, your last breath out should be from the same nostril. It's usually advised that in the winters you should first start inhaling with the left nostril, and in the summers you should start with inhaling from the left one. So I do this for 10 minutes. After this, the fourth one is called as Brahmari. This pranayam is very good for uh, relaxing your mind. If you have a headache or your eyes are tired and you feel exhausted, try this one. So what you do is you stick out your first finger, forefinger, and you place it over here, and with your thumbs you close your ears like this. The other 3 fingers are actually free, so I just find it comfortable to fold them and place them like this. They are not really quite to cover anything, they're just free, so just put them over here. So what you do is you inhale deeply, and when you exhale, close your mouth and produce a humming sound, or the sound of M. So I do this for 10 minutes. When you produce a sound, you'll feel it vibrating and going through your head, which feels very nice, and it kind of massages your head internally. If you're feeling numbness in your legs, just stretch them out and move them. Bring sensation back into your legs, your feet. Okay. The last and the final one, the fifth one that I do is called Udgit Pranayam. In Udgit Pranayam, we say Om, and it consists of 3 sounds. One is A, second is U, and third is Ma. So inhale deeply. Make sure your back is straight throughout all the pranayams, but don't keep your body stiff, keep it relaxed. And how do we keep it, how do we know that it is fully relaxed? Is in this pranayam, this is how we can tell, is that when you say Om, you will feel a sensation in your spine if you're relaxed. You need to keep your back straight but relaxed, not stiff. And if you're not feeling any vibration in your spine, that means that uh, you have stiffness in your back muscles. So inhale deeply, hold. So I do this for 10 minutes, and that is my daily pranayam exercise. How I benefited from it is that it helps you boost your immunity. And I had an allergy for about 20 years, and when I started doing pranayam for 1 hour daily, within just 45 minutes, the allergy was gone. I had tried many different uh, medicines or many different solutions for this problem, but none of them worked. And I was quite surprised to find to see the effects of this breath work. So I advise you all to try it at home or anywhere. But uh, if you want to begin and you uh, don't have so much time, just try doing each exercise for 5 minutes. So it'll be a 25-minute regimen, and if you feel like doing it further, just increase the time. All the best, and feel free to ask any questions.